Wow. You remember this?
I do remember that.
The world's most technologically advanced longboard. Right there. It's like if Batman had trucks, he would have those trucks.
Oh, yeah.
These guys sent us 2 more boards. Because apparently the technologically advanced got even more technologically advanced.
Oh, wow. Oh.
I think if Batman had trucks, he would have purple trucks.
Dude, I like that they're changing it up, though.
Yeah, it is cool.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa. Dude, that looks like Doug.
So this is bamboo, I think.
The Primosh Leanboard 2.0.
Primosh Bamboo Edition. What's that one?
I think this is the one that you can do slides on.
So the wheels are different somehow.
Yes.
78A, 101 millimeter.
So this one's used to get your slide on.
Slides, grips.
Yeah.
Well, I think that what we should do is like a race.
You sure you want to do this?
Wait, we need Mario here running.
No.
Well, we got to set up an obstacle course.
No, I personally think we should set up an obstacle course and have you, Nigel, and Troy all race each other at the same time.
At the same time?
At the same
That
time.
would
But
be
on
awesome.
different boards? Wait.
And then you guys can do 3 different rounds and alternate.
Switch the boards?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Whoa. Oh, yeah. They slide.
This is the most amazing thing. Those are not the sliders.
They're not?
They're not.
Yeah, Kraylon. Which way is forward?
I'm assuming this is forward.
Why are you assuming that?
The graphic and the grip tape.
Look, it just flips. Like no matter which way the grip tape is, it's the same way.
Yeah.
Okay, why are you making things difficult? Okay, maybe it's a 2-sided thing.
Gosh! Jeez!
Well, I think we set up the obstacle course, right?
Oh, yeah.
Somebody came and did donuts in here without us.
Woohoo!
Smooth!
Yeah, it's so smooth. We didn't really ride it outside enough the first time to see how smooth it was. It's actually incredible. All right, we need to set up an obstacle course.
Oh yeah, let's do it.
4-pack collapsible training cones? These are not collapsible.
Take one out.
Wow, the world's most technologically advanced cone.
Okay, we start against that back wall. You have to go up that bank, across there, and then down that bank, and
So
that's
wait,
where we
we
start.
need
The starting line is here.
Boom, boom.
Okay. Straight, and then it gets hard because 3 people have to go up this bank, and then around this cone.
Or is somebody allowed to go up the step up and
you
we
can
want to...
go up the step up if you can muster it. Then you have to go here, down this bank, and then we go straight out of here. Hard right, hard right.
Because I'm going to nail my head on this, I know it.
Yes, you are.
Boom!
Oh, maybe we should make it lower. Smart man. Yep.
No duck, Carlos Lastra.
Yeah, Carlos, you don't even have to duck.
You just stand up straight like this.
This will be the last video I make all day, or for probably several months, because I'm gonna nail my face on that.
You hit this sharp turn right here and go immediately right. And then
Right.
I think it should just be a lap around the entire parking lot.
We need a ramp out here though, like right in the middle. Now wait, does everybody have to go off the ramp? 3 people off this ramp at one time.
Yeah. You should hit this curve and then the ramp should be over there on that side.
So let's say somebody goes off the ramp,
Okay.
but they don't land. Did
gotta-
they go off the ramp?
They gotta go back and they gotta land it.
You have to land it.
Yep.
No way.
Yep. And then I think you just curve here and then go back the same way we started and take that path.
Okay, so they go through here and then they nail their face on
And
this
then
piece of metal right here.
They break their nose, yeah.
Straight
what
to the back
we
wall.
should do, cut this corner, go through here.
And then through there.
That's the finish line right there through this door.
Okay, who's racing?
Nigel, you and Carlos.
I'm gonna dry run the course for you, Carlos.
No. You
It's
don't
not
get to touch it.
practice,
Yeah,
no.
it is. No.
No, trust me. You go down here. And you go up here, we already lost him. He's already confused. Hold on. I cannot have this in my pocket. No, I'm serious. It will ruin the entire race.
Are you ready? This is gonna be a clean race.
Remember, if they don't hit the ramp, they fall off, they have to go back and do it again until
right.
they land it.
No cutting corners here.
So here's what we decided. I have the total disadvantage in round 1 because mine is longest.
Is Carlos the shortest?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
I think these two might be the same length.
Except these ones are slick wheels and those are grip wheels.
So he has another disadvantage because his wheels are slippery and we got some tight curves going out here. So I have no idea how to judge this, but the first race, we just race.
All right, you guys ready? All right, we're gonna do this. And
Go back, Aaron.
Somebody else. Oh, I gotta get away.
Close second.
Wow.
Okay, that was exhausting. I'm gonna take a month off.
It all depends on your position at the start. Because I had the inside line and it made everything so much easier.
Carlos, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Are you exhausted?
Yeah.
But you made it off the ramp the first go.
First go that I got a chance to ride it, freaking pulled the brake on that thing, dude.
I was like, this thing is too long and it's gonna get caught on the top. And then I went off fine and I could have just landed and I went, no. So now we flip the boards, right?
Yeah.
I'll take the longest one. I won.
all right, you guys ready? All right, and on 3, 2, 1.
Oh my God!
Just staying in the line.
You fell so hard!
No pain, no gain! Here comes Carlos.
Oh my god.
Where is Nigel? Nigel, what are you doing? I just come out and he's on the ground.
That's why that hurt. There's glass here. How did you even land this?
I have no idea. There it is. Wow.
It's like a trampoline. When I landed outside, off the ramp, I just bounced up. For him being tinier than me, he's probably gonna fly across the parking lot.
Now I'm on this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, you guys ready for the final? Yeah. On 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a close finish! Oh! Oh! Aaron, you got the false start and you still won.
It's that inside corner right on the edge. He was like going around and I was like, cut it on the inside. And I was like, boom, lean. And it was like,
That was the drifter one. Did that slide?
full-blown drift. It was like Grand Theft Auto 14.
I'm tired. That was fun.
Okay, well, clearly from that race, these are really fast, they're really smooth, the wheels are really smooth. So obviously this is like a commuter board, not for jumping off ramps. So that's why we just had to throw that ramp in there and make it extra hard, right? 78A, a little bit harder, makes these slide a little better. So we're gonna do some power slides on this.
I think you should power slide off the ramp.
Yeah, no.
Whoa! 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 You gotta land that.
Yeah, land that one now.
Let's go, Nigel. Let's go, Nigel. Oh!
If you do backside power slides and put all your weight on your back foot, it's a lot easier.
Technological Technologically advanced.
Technology. Clear. So I can't even English.
Whoa! Steez.
You gotta like sharp turn into it first. Like make a sharp turn and then put your back foot into it.
Oh!
So cool.
That was 3D. You gotta get yours back to back.
Yeah.
It's not like a normal power slide. It's weird.
Technologically advanced power slides. Oh!
I'm glad we got the races out of the way before they got all this practice in.
Hit a power slide on the bank.
1 second. No, what are you crazy?
Whoa!
You'd think with all the manual reverts I could just do like 1080s on this. Front side.
Why do I feel like taking it down to 5 would be easier?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Stomped it. So Braille drop or what?
Oh yeah.
At a 5.
These are intended for cruising transportation purposes.
Cruising and transportation only. Do not try this at home.
You gotta go fast.
Yes! Is a ceremonial. Carlos fell. Small giggle. He fell. What are they thinking? There's no tail to lift up.
It works. You know what?
Got it, Nigel.
I feel like maybe the grabbing is not helping the situation. He's like cannonballing straight into the ground like that off of a 5-stair.
Scarfast, commit.
It literally dips.
The second it goes off, it just goes. Nyoink.
Got it, Nigel. Whoa!
Wow. Wow. Just wow. Thank you.
Your foot went on the wheel and went. See, if I would have done it, it would have stopped the board, but you're light enough to where it just goes, no, keep going.
Yeah! Woohoo!
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, that's scary.
When longboarders are going really fast, they do power slides to slow down. So the point with this one is that you can do power slides at lower speeds, which we thought was really rad and really fun. So a huge thanks to Lean Boards for sending us these rad boards. This is the original Lean, that's the Astronaut, and this is the Bamboo edition. So you guys can check out the link in the description below and check out your own most technologically advanced longboard ever, and you can go to outer space with your power slides. So a huge thanks to Lean for sponsoring this video and making it possible for me to roll around and slide all over the Braille house. That was super fun, and I'd like to thank all of my family for helping me win all of the races. Thank you, 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 thank you. You guys are the absolute best. Click right here to go to all the other videos in this playlist. Click right here to go to brailleskateboarding.com, where you, yes you, even you, will learn how to skateboard, and you can get all your skateboarding related gear and everything there. So I will see you there. I will see you in the next video tomorrow in the daily video. Good night.